Here's how to use the lock on feature on CapCut. Now in CapCut, there's a cool feature that can essentially lock on a certain subject, a person, a body, a hand, anything like that. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's open up CapCut here and tap on New Project. And let's just bring in a video here and hit Add. Now, say if this is the video that I wanted to use that lock on feature, I'm gonna tap on the video. And I'm gonna scroll over until I get to camera tracking and tap on that camera tracking. And I'm gonna tap on camera tracking at the bottom right. It used to be called lock on, but now it's called camera tracking. And you can see here, face, body, or hand. These are all pro things. So you do need to pay or get a free trial, 7-day free trial for the CapCut Pro. But you can see basically I can lock onto a specific face and you can choose which one is highlighted in blue. Let's say I wanted to lock on that face. I can just hit start here. And now what it will do is it will lock on that specific face. So let's hit this fit canvas so that the canvas is always full, but basically it will lock on that specific face and I can hit play. And there you can see it locks on that specific face. So you can do this again for body, for hands, different thing like that. Basically what it does is it automatically adds these keyframes in there and adjusts basically the positioning of that video so that it locks onto a certain object. You can always do this manually just by tapping on those little keyframes, the diamond with the plus or minus right there. Just add keyframes and then adjust it if you wanted to do it manually as well. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below and I'll catch you on the next one.